Welcome back to Daytime Live. We are still here with the great Mad Cobra. I just want to take this moment to say how much I love you. Most of my youth and dancing on my head top back in the day has been to your songs. I just want to say that. Many years ago.
Respect.
Just saying. You.
So, you know, do the head top thing again?
Negative.
Okay. All right, them
Now I'm a lady.
ask you.
Done.
Cobra, so you never stop recording though, and you have a new track out now called Ghetto Youth.
Right. No, you're with me now, Craig.
Yeah.
And you're one of them to have that style. You see, it's not songs I can do, you know. It's like if a rhythm don't move me, I don't follow it just to be around or to be in the limelight.
I got
you. You have to hold certain values.
Straight.
Yeah, you have to hold certain values. And we were speaking offline, off camera. We start hear back some of that authentic sound.
True.
You know, that the music that attracts dancehall over the years.
Yeah, man.
So that on me, call it old, call it fossil, call it dinosaur. Me like my authentic sound.
Yeah, man.
I love what is happening right now because you have new brains, new generation. You have some youth who do some, they call it alien brain vibe. But some of them, I keep the authentic sound there, and that is what I like. So, you know, right now, you're going to see me back. I hear me back.
Yeah.
Well, speaking of hearing your back, right? Your new single, Ghetto Youth, we're going to take a little listen to it now. So let's have a little listen and then we'll come and chat back a second.
Up.
Songs can make me make the face. You know the face? You know the face, right? The nasty face when I rhythm and you're like,
Grimy.
that face. Yeah. So you made me on national TV make that face. So now let me. Is that tune? Is that tune? Is that vibe? Is that vibe? Is that vibe?
No, man, I love the sound. You know the sweetest thing about it, because people that hear it and they hear the little attitude, but this is a man who can do it live. Like this man, like when you hear the man talk, you do authentic.
Nice. Craig, you know the style.
Yeah,
you DJ, you have some people DJ with the auto-tune, with DJ the song in keys before you add a little spice to it.
Gotcha.
But you have to keep that sound.
Yeah, I can't wait for him to come and perform it live.
Yeah. Producer tell me say you need to have a master class online so people can learn how to DJ.
No, I feel like that's a TV show right there, Television Jamaica.
Yeah,
I feel like that's a TV show.
Right.
No, but it's a serious thing though, you know. It's an art, you know, like all the people though, them sell them a DJ but them not have it.
Yeah, the thing is that you have to love it, yeah, man. You know that too, Craig.
Yeah.
You have to love it.
Yeah.
You have to love it before the money.
Yeah.
What about your new album though? Cause we know we have a project coming out. Who produced?
Multifaceted.
Who produced Ghetto Youth?
Yeah, man, multifaceted. Ghetto Youth is one of the tracks on it. But it's a song that, as I said, multi. It depicts every couple genres, but mostly our thing. But it talking about the life. You know, it's a nation, it's a world plight. Seeing things that people can relate to in any nation, as long as they understand what I'm saying.
Love it.
You understand? Me now left out the street. Me not left out my girl them. Me not left out the ghetto youths them. Me not the people where I feel it, I go through it. And you don't know freestyle already, the street, gangster, but this time it won't be, I'm more mature now.
Same.
More mature. So you will get, they're going to be getting a mature Cobra, but still aggressive. I won't water down my style.
So, Cobra, before we run out of time, I just want to quickly ask you a couple of questions. Could you tell us who produced Ghetto Youth? But I also want to know who else is on this project and what can we expect from it? So that's three questions in one.
You know, say original Iba is on it. College Boys, you know, Brixton Music, BMG. You have Just the Flex, that is me. You know, a lot of collaboration. There I have one with Gramps Morgan. Nice. I have one upcoming with I think my sister Amoy will be going. That's the next one. I'm asking people to look out for. Steve Marley. That track is not yet being recorded, but in the pipeline. You know, so couple of big names there, but the production is mad. When I say mad. Seeing Dex Adapts is also, you know, will be featured on one of the tracks. So
real.
It is, as I said, if you notice, it entails reality, girl style, gangster. So it's straight across the board.
Love it.
But this project, as I said, this project, I'm using different producers, but with one energy.
Seeing.
Nice.
Yeah.
Stephen Marley produced Mad Cobra song is a immediate street anthem.
Yeah, but what's the joke? You have one with me and the man Killer. See? Where did out there, it was out there. Get a boys.
Bang boom.
That was a track out with me, Bounty Killer and Steven. So you know, and look upcoming. Bounty Killer have a song out with Busy Signal. Boom! Bang!
Bad tune.
All right.
Me can't stop listening.
I love it already.
Link the Killer. Me do a 12 bar on it. So look for the remix.
Mad.
Yeah, man. I'm belated. Everybody get to tell Killer this, but me never get to tell him. But me I tell him now. Happy Earth Strong belated, my brother.
True.
Yeah, man.
I love
real general.
I love that. Thank you so much for joining us. It's been an absolute honor. Pleasure. Like I said, you caused me to get in a lot of trouble when I was younger. So just so you know, I can blame you now. And Father's Day is coming up. We just want to say Happy Father's Day when it comes to you.
Man, bless up.
Sending you enough love.
Man, and most of the fathers out there, see, I don't want to sound like they have bashed the ladies, but most of the fathers out there, I don't want to watch where boy them appear Mother's Day mine more than Father's Day. You have some fathers, we have fathers and mothers. See? And we have to pick up the father them, well, love them youth them, reach out to them youth them, and make sure you show, not pet no youth, show them tough love, but nurture them. See? You have fathers where grow them youth, and you have fathers who play a role in them youth life. See? You have some mothers where grow them youth, and don't grow them right, and still get certain rights. But me I say to the fathers them, play your role. I don't care what come with it, be the father. See, I'm the father of 4.
Yeah.
Hey.
So, up.
Hey.
Yeah.
Strong.
Yeah. So I'm the youth them know me.
Love that.
That's what I said.
Love that.
Yeah, man. But you have to show them tough love. So father not gonna go pet.
I agree. We
yeah, man. Put on your foot, man.
Oh man, we don't lotion, Max.
Just do what you have to do. Do what you have to do, because some are sperm donor.
Yeah.
You understand?
Alright, we run out of time still, but big up in my general. It was a joy. Thank you for joining us. People, make sure to check out Cobra's latest single. It's called Ghetto Youth. It's out now, streaming on all platforms. Make sure to get it, support the thing. Daytime Live will be right back. I will have new music, a video from Cape Town. You don't want to miss that. Mad thing.